Good morning. Wake up. Day 6. Cabo San Lucas. It's the most peaceful place. Going to get our morning coffee. Have a great day.